Toyota has made an unprecedented move to repurchase bZ4X units affected by a recall. Now, the Toyota bZ4X, which is a compact electric crossover that went on sale back in April, had to be recalled because the wheels might fall off. You ever heard of the saying, drive it until the wheels fall off? Literally, folks. Literally, I think it was in a rap song. And it's just something else. 1 month after the recall, Toyota still doesn't have a clue on what's going on. How do they fix this problem? And they're making unusual offers that's affecting owners, and that's to repurchase these bZ4X units. I'm like, what? Now, Toyota started it back in 2022 to flood the market with electric EVs. But you got to do it right, folks. And of course, there'll be snafus, there'll be problems, such as this. Tesla didn't go well, and having a problem, and people having problems, and the competition. But the Japanese car maker had to recall the bZ4X. They had to do this, and wow, I'm saying to myself, this is one awesome SUV. But a car maker that has so much stress on reliability and known for reliability, having this problem is quite unexpected. But how will they handle it? And that's going to be proving true. Now, all automakers, from Porsche, from Aston Martin, all the different companies, Ford, everybody has problems when a new car comes out. But how do they handle it? Let's see. I hope Toyota handles this with professionally, and be able to resolve this problem so owners don't be having their wheels flying off while driving down the highway. That they could put an end to this. And obviously it's just something that hasn't been caught by engineers. But according to some car makers, what's happening is that the wheel bolts are coming off. Now, the wheel bolts, they may loosen under certain severe driving patterns. I guess hitting corners, hitting switchbacks in your SUV, taking corners, and doing things that you normally shouldn't do in a family vehicle, which may cause the wheels to fall off if you do these type of things. Toyota offers several options for people who are having these problems to make it right. And they're going to continue to provide free of charge loaner vehicles to these people. And they're going to reimburse for fuel costs and for operating a loaner instead of their electric vehicle. They're going to provide a $5,000 credit that can be used toward payments of the loan, the lease purchase price, if the car was paid in full. So this is good news if you got the money and you already paid it off. But still, it's still good to get the $5,000 credit. But this is some crazy news, folks. But hey, it happens. How do we handle it? Do we laugh the car maker off? Do we treat them with disrespect? No, we don't. We just watch to see how they handle it. You know, Toyota's going to offer they're going to offer also to repurchase your vehicle if that's something that that's another alternative. Now, the term of the repurchase may vary depending on the state and the particular laws and circumstances. And of course, this would be considered, I guess, if the problem reoccurs and everything, I guess the limit law would go into play. But in this particular situation, I don't see it. It just depends how Toyota handle it. Now, the bZ4X, it looks like that the affected owners are going to be given that $5,000 credit to fix it. And Toyota's going to repurchase it if there's a bigger problem, if it cannot address the issues. So Toyota, I believe right now that they're going to do the right thing. But this is something that's unprecedented by Toyota. That people are driving these vehicles and the wheels are falling off. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe, and have a fantastic day. Boy, I tell you, this is one good-looking SUV. And I do hope that they resolve this problem, and they will. because Toyota makes some damn good products. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.